Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're starting a bit of a vlog day with HQ BMW. We're gonna start by getting this Hyundai Tucson. Gotta get the wheels off. We got some brand new winter tires. Gotta go on those rims. So let's get these pulled off. We're gonna stack them in the front of the garage. We'll get them off to Kurt to get them swapped over. I'm not gonna bore you guys with any of that stuff, but we got a few things to do for this vlog. One of them, we got some powder coating samples that we need to see if we can match up to stone. We're working on a little bit of a project, and hopefully one of these are going to be close enough to stone. Keep watching and I'll show you guys if we have a match. Oh, does that ever look funny? I put the Elantra wheels on here so that I can leave it parked here. Don't worry, I'm not driving it with the Elantra wheels on. They're not the right size. It won't work. It'll just make a mess of the Tucson. It's being parked here so that I can take the actual rims and tires and then the new winter tires to Kurt to get swapped over tomorrow. Well. I got all the samples laid out here. And I think one of these are gonna be the closest. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you think is the closest. I think we'll try it again tomorrow in the sunlight. We are running extremely late. If you guys know me, you know that I hate being late. I don't like people making me wait for things, and I don't like making people wait. So we gotta get going. We gotta hurry. We got the tires loaded up in Billie Jean. Let's head off to Kurt's place and get these wheels dropped off. Tires are dropped off. We just did that really quick because we were running so late and behind. And I stopped off at the toy store and picked up a whole bunch of Hot Wheel cars because we are going to drop them off for one special project that I'm about to show you. So we are here at the BMW gallery because they are doing a toy drive for Kids Up Front Calgary. So if you guys would remember back at our Motor Madness car show, we raised money for the Kids Up Front Calgary. For Christmas, they are doing a toy drive to gather as many toys as possible to donate to the unfortunate kids and, you know, make sure that everybody has an amazing Christmas and holiday season. So I stopped and got a whole bunch of Hot Wheels and different cars, and we're gonna go inside and drop them off. The donations have been outstanding so far, but let's get these packed up and we'll head inside, and I'll show you all of the donations that have already been received. That is so impressive. It is stuffed with toys. More out here, falling out the trunk. That's amazing. Congrats to everybody. All right, toys are dropped off. Marty got me a special gift for my birthday, which was super nice of him. Thank you, Marty. I appreciate that. But the tires are done. Let's head back to Kurt's shop. And when we get there, I'll give you guys a little tour of his new shop and what it looks like. It's really good location, and It's a great shop. It would definitely make for a really cool HQ BMW headquarters. Wink, wink. One day we'll get there, we'll have a shop, and we'll be able to do this kind of stuff all day, every day, and it would be so much fun. So let's get to the shop and pick these tires up. KDF. I'll drop a link on Instagram below. Any vehicle you need serviced, he will work on anything. But now we are going to head back home and swap the tires back over, get the Elantra wheels pulled off, put on the spicy new winter tires. We actually ended up getting the same winter tires that I put on the X1, which I really like the tires, so I figured that since they were such a good tire, might as well get them for Tammy's mom. So let's head back to the shop. A big, massive shout out again to Kurt for getting these mounted and balanced and hooked up. And we also got a wicked KDF t-shirt, so I'll rock that on one of the vlogs for sure. Thanks very much, but let's head home and get these swapped over. Not gonna lie, this is probably one of the nicest reasons for having Billie Jean carting those tires around. Makes it so much easier. Boom! With Movie Magic, new winter tires are installed. She's all good to go and ready for the winter season. If you guys are interested in getting an HQ BMW Dickies work shirt like I'm wearing, it's got the big BHQ If you guys are interested in getting an HQ BMW Dickies work shirt, we are going to do a pre-sale on them. You can DM my Instagram at HQ_BMW, or our official merchandise Instagram page is at hq.bmw.official. I'll put the links right here and below. Just message us on Instagram. We're gonna do an actual pre-sale of these work shirts. It's getting a little colder out, and we've had a lot of people express interest in getting one of the shirts. So links down below, hit us up and we will get you off a HQ BMW work shirt. It wouldn't be a proper birthday without coming to our favorite ice cream place.
Wait, shut up. Were you guys standing in line? No. Okay. I was like, oh my gosh. Totally fine.
We are the villagers. Ice cream. Guides, mint, and chocolate. random, everyday HQ BMW stuff. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.